If you need to remove a device from your Robinhood account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down and select the security option from the list. This section contains all security-related settings for your account. Step 4. Manage devices. Look for the Manage Devices or Authorized Devices option. Here, you will see a list of devices currently authorized to access your account. Step 5. Remove the device. Select the device you want to remove and follow the prompts to confirm its removal. This will revoke access for that device. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove devices from your Robinhood account, enhancing your account security. Always ensure that only trusted devices have access to your financial information.